So there's been loads of videos posted with pictures of me from 3 years ago saying that I was the school shooter from Serbia, some 14-year-old kid who shot up 10 people in school. And it's obviously not me because I'm not 14 and I'm not Serbian, so. This is the photo they used of me, which is in my camera roll since 25th of January 2020 on my phone, taken by my phone. And here's the same angle, same place, everything, just different poses, still on my phone, same place. I found these pictures posted on Pinterest from a long time ago, so I'm guessing this is where they got this photo from. As most people could probably tell, I'm obviously not the Serbian school shooter, so if anyone could just report any videos they see, it would actually be really appreciated.
I get those goosebumps every time, yeah, when you're not around me, cold I do desire. I get those goosebumps every time. I get those goosebumps every time. I got those goosebumps every